Check it out, the one that started all this mess, Mary Jane. She's back. Let's fix some blinkers, let's do some metal work, let's get reacquainted. Mary Jane is our 1959 Ford F100 that is on a 1998 Grand Marquis. The reason we went with a 99 Mercury, it has the front crossmember that's welded into the frame. It's not the aluminum one that you can unbolt out of the Crown Vics in the later years. It is a more narrow footprint, which allows it to fit the 59 fender wells a little bit easier. So if you're doing a chassis swap on an old Ford truck, my recommendation is the older Crown Vics and Mercuries if you find one in a decent shape. Under the hood, you have just the typical 2-valve per cylinder 4.6 liter. These things were in every cop car, every taxi cab. This one I think had 198,000 miles on the chassis whenever we tore it down. This hood prop was actually in the truck when we picked it up. You know what? If it's lived that long there, it deserves to stay. So, truck does have a P71 ECU. That's how we chose to get around the pass on this one. So you don't have to have the Crown Vic key to start it. There's no security. It is an absolute blast to drive. It just goes, it cruises down the highway. You can pass people. You look down, you think you're just barely going and you're doing 80. So it's a hoot. What is a, I don't even know what a hoot means. What am I, 90? The bed floor on this truck gets most of the attention. It's got some storage compartments in the front, and then in the back, it's got some storage back here. Got a Milwaukee pack out for Dave's toolboxes. We didn't get too carried away because honestly, we didn't know if this was gonna work. This is the filler neck. Take this off to put gas in the truck. It goes through there, into there. There were some questions about this, how it would seal, how it would not. We've had no issues with this at all. These panels were actually just steel plate, and we patinaed them and rusted them. And by the time it came time to clear this in, they had all kind of looked the same. So this was an adventure building this bed floor, but in hindsight, I really like it. Okay, so first things first, the blinkers aren't working. It is leaking water in a couple of spots. Sound deadener, carpet, metal fabrication on the back of the floor, holes back there where we never finished it. And I think that's it. It's just the overlapping metal from doing the conversion. I'm just gonna spray foam all that and then seam seal this. For whatever reason, we stopped right here. I didn't do this, I didn't do this. Probably because it was hanging out beneath this till where the factory truck is just rotted away. Probably needs to be replaced, but there's no metal there, no metal there. So I'm gonna pull the seat out and then get after them. So I just wanted to kind of curve that with the transition. I'll have to knock this down right here next. Love it, love it, love it. All right, so there it is. areas. We'll rinse and repeat over there. Spray this with foam and sealant filler and paint and underlayment and carpet and, you know, all that things. Here we go again. I'm gonna just completely bury that in spray foam. And before you haters hate, what do you think that is? I'm just saying. I didn't know either until I tore one apart. Letting that cure. Letting that cure. Letting that cure. Letting that cure. Oh, missed it by that much. Okay, so 95% of the underlayment is down. Tomorrow I'll come out here, finish the little pieces I want to put in there, and then put the carpet in. It's nothing fancy. It's the same stuff I used in the Bronco Vic and the Red 59. I am smoked. It's been a long day and a longer night. I'm taking my newfound box of coffee and I'm going in the house. We will see y'all tomorrow. All right, so I can't get this one to light at all, even when I bootleg the flasher. Oh, the ground came loose. Let's go. Maybe that's what it is. Yeah, I'm gonna take it out and put it at the factory ground. I like this when you don't have time to wait. It's a nice go-to for low budget stuff. Let's get this. Put the seam right down in the middle. I think I want to try to do this. Not bad, not bad. Now we're gonna go do that side. And then we'll roll it all flat, adhere it all. I may try to make some door steel plates for that. I don't want to ruin the grand reveal, but whew. I think maybe I should have been a upholstery guy. All right, so I don't have enough sheet to make inserts. I'm gonna run over to the Browns and see if I can't steal some. Let's run over there. I stole metal from you, Hudson.
Thank you. He comes around and goes,
thank you.
I need some metal. Meaning to go to scrap anyways.
Okay, so the Brown Brothers are a local shop. It's close to Mugg Customs. I'm sure you've seen them on the channel before. These guys build elaborate diesel creations, performance vehicles, and actually take on customer jobs. The major difference between us is they're a legitimate shop with a channel, where I'm trying to be a legitimate channel with a shop. So what's my cost on these front fenders?
You gotta understand that these are Lariat King Ranch Platinum
I'm gonna
fenders.
need you to shut your...
These are fancy.
The thing is, I kind of want to use these on another build. Maybe.
Like a Bronco?
Bronco has fenders.
We're not putting this on that 700.
There you go, they're mine. Jake! Jake! Ah.
Yeah, I mean, I feel like we have such same taste in vehicles.
But definitely not the same group of people watching. So maybe your people should know my people, and my people should know your people. So let's just do a collaboration.
Wanna do one?
Yeah.
I feel like we should do a video for the people on Thanksgiving.
Okay.
So let's run it.
Let's
back.
don't do a Thanksgiving video. Let's just do a video on Thanksgiving week.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And we'll just collab. We'll do a whole video.
Bet.
All right. Did you get everything you needed?
Let's get the hell out of here. I don't even know what you really call these things. The accent piece to cover the transition between the carpet and the metal. I'm just gonna make it out of flat, I think 18 gauge is what I stole from the Browns. It's had a little damage to it, but it'll be fine. So I'm gonna cut this piece first, and then I'll cut another strip. This is just to keep from cutting your fingers open. I really like these long bib Sharpies. They make all the difference in the world on stuff like this. Hey, kill it for a second. Oh, I see what it is. It's a Mugg Customs shirt. It's the wagon shirt. It's only $29. Oh, man. It's also the OG shirt. It's only $20 plus TT&L. Try that. See if it'll start. Oh yeah, that's much better. Go to muggcustoms.com. Get your merch. Let's just do that. Let's just do where the other ones were. And let's do 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We'll do one here, and one here. And we'll round these corners off. All right, clear as mud. So here's where we are. We've got the decorative holes and the mounting holes. I'm gonna use these, I don't know, they're not just, they're self-tappers, but they look kind of special. Okay, so we're gonna bend this thing now. I'm gonna cheat it just a smidge, maybe an 1/8 inch towards the big holes, just to get a little more on that front. You wanna try to get these all equal. It's not a matter of how tight, it's how you tie it. On something like this. Let me see what happens. I think that'll work. I just want to give it something a little more than just a hole. do it this way so I can actually see how closed it's getting. Pretty cool. Ah! Bit broke. Oh, cool. Went all the way through. Yeah. I don't even know what you call this part. So you're not going to run down to a store and buy a set of door steel plates for a 1959 Ford F100 that's been Crown Vic swapped onto a 1998 Grand Marquis with a custom floor. So let's just build a set of custom door steel plates for a 1959 Ford F100 that's been chassis swapped onto a 1999 Grand Marquis. So you may be asking yourself, why now? Why spend all the time on Mary Jane now, after it's been on the road for a year? Well, let me tell you. But the reason is, we've all discussed it, and it's time to say goodbye to Mary Jane. So the truck is for sale, and that's kind of why this episode is the way it is. We're trying to knock out things that people may not want to do, and like, some people may not like that gold and black, but quite frankly, I don't care. It's the last thing I wanted to do to that truck. Thanks to the Brown brothers for letting us invade their shop today and steal their metal. Once again, Mary Jane is for sale. So if this is something you're interested in, and you're the type of person that can tolerate its insecurity, so to speak, give me a call or a text, 940-577-4537. We're asking $18,500 for the truck, and I feel like it's worth more than that, honestly. But the reality of it is, if we don't start selling some of these, the channel, I wouldn't say the channel would go away, but it'd have to slow down, and that's not something I want to do. So you guys take it easy, and thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, hit that notifications button, and stay off the rev limiter.